Hi, my name's Kyren Thompson. I'm the head chef here at GrassFed by Paul Foster in Camden. Today I'm going to be preparing the steak tartare. So the mise en place really starts with 4 different elements, first of which is smoking the rump. So we get in the whole rump on the bone and we seam it down into its respective points. We take the rump cap, that's the traditionally slightly more tough cuts, and we set that aside for tartare. We'll trim it down, smoke it, cold smoke over hay, just to infuse it for about half an hour, really get that flavour into it, and then set that aside. While that's smoking, we'll make the rocket dressing, which is a very simple, almost oily type dressing, blitzed with rocket, a couple of traditional spices that you'd associate with tartare, so Worcestershire sauce, the Tabasco, that sort of thing, but very much just something that's slightly bitter to offset the smoke. The other elements of that is we pickle some kohlrabi, sliced very thin, and then just very cold pickle. The final point of that is the cured egg yolks. So we bury some egg yolks into some table salt overnight, restricts the moisture and makes them tough enough to grate essentially. We'll give them a final flash in the oven just to make sure that they're nice and set. And ultimately the plating up of the dish is some of that lovely rocket dressing, very thin sliced the smoked rump, the pickled kohlrabi, a little grate of the cured egg yolk, and finally just some little red herbs to garnish. So there we have the steak tartare.